Welcome back. If you've just hopped onto this video without seeing part 1, we highly recommend checking it out. We cover the basics of Ozempic, its primary benefits, and hinted at potential side effects. But in this segment, we'll be diving deep into those side effects and providing insights into some alternative solutions. If you haven't yet, please consider subscribing and turning on notifications to stay updated with our health and wellness series. So let's delve into the more challenging aspects of Ozempic. First off, while many medications have side effects, it's crucial to understand what you might be up against with Ozempic. Common side effects reported include headaches, nausea, and back pain. And in some cases, the medication has been linked with the worsening of diabetic eye disease. Being informed about these potential drawbacks is essential to weigh the pros and cons adequately. In light of these side effects, it's always advisable to consult with a healthcare professional about your medical history before starting any new medication. It's also worth noting that while some people may experience these side effects, others might not experience any at all. It's essential to individualize medication decisions based on one's unique situation and monitor oneself closely after beginning a treatment. But there are other, less common but more severe potential risks with Ozempic, especially concerning thyroid issues. Some studies have indicated a link between Ozempic and thyroid cancer in animals. However, it's still uncertain if such a risk translates to humans. Nevertheless, it's recommended not to use Ozempic if you've got specific genetic conditions or a family history of medullary thyroid cancer. Being vigilant is key. If you notice any symptoms like lumps in your neck or persistent voice changes, consult your doctor immediately. Many medications undergo rigorous testing in animals before being approved for human use. It's not uncommon to see differences in how a drug affects animals versus humans. However, caution is always paramount, especially when potential severe side effects are observed in preclinical studies. Digestive issues like gas, burping, and constipation have also been noted. While they might sound minor, consistent digestive problems can disrupt daily life. If these become persistent, it's worth discussing with your healthcare provider. Digestive discomfort, while often brushed off, can significantly affect an individual's quality of life. It's vital to listen to one's body and not underestimate any potential signs of an adverse reaction to a medication. Balancing the benefits of a medication with its potential downsides requires open communication with one's healthcare provider. Another critical side effect to be aware of is pancreatitis. It's an inflammation of the pancreas, which plays an essential role in digestion and insulin regulation. Symptoms like abdominal pain, nausea, or bloating should be taken seriously and brought to your doctor's attention. The pancreas, being a vital organ, has functions beyond just insulin regulation, such as producing digestive enzymes. Any disruption to its function can have cascading effects on the body. It's crucial for patients to be proactive about their health, and if symptoms arise, not to dismiss them as minor inconveniences. Hypoglycemia or low blood sugar can also pop up, especially when Ozempic is combined with other medications. Recognizing symptoms like dizziness, shakiness, or blurry vision and managing them promptly is pivotal. While medications often provide numerous benefits, combining them can sometimes lead to unforeseen interactions. Hypoglycemia can be dangerous if not addressed promptly, as it affects the brain's function and overall well-being. It underscores the importance of discussing all medications you're on with your doctor and having a plan in case of hypoglycemic episodes. Lastly, although rare, allergic reactions to Ozempic can occur. From simple rashes to more severe reactions like swelling under the skin or difficulty breathing. Always be observant of how your body reacts after administering Ozempic. Being educated about potential allergic reactions is paramount, especially when introducing a new medication into the body. Not all allergic reactions are immediate, and some can develop over time. It's essential to be attuned to any changes, no matter how minor they might seem, and to seek medical attention when in doubt. Now, while these side effects might sound daunting, it's essential to remember that they don't manifest in everyone. But having the knowledge ensures you're equipped to handle any situation. So, with all these potential side effects, you might be wondering if there are alternatives to consider. One noteworthy mention is green tea extract. Recognized for its myriad of health benefits, it also shows potential in aiding weight loss. The antioxidants in green tea, particularly catechins, have been linked to weight loss in numerous studies. While it's not a direct replacement for medications like Ozempic, green tea extract can complement your weight loss and health journey when combined with a balanced diet and regular exercise. Green tea extract, sourced from the leaves of the Camellia sinensis plant, has been consumed for centuries in various cultures due to its therapeutic properties. Apart from its weight loss benefits, it is also associated with improved brain function, lowered risk of certain cancers, and a boost in metabolic rate. This all-natural supplement can be an appealing alternative for those wary of potential side effects from pharmaceutical drugs. However, as with any supplement or medication, it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional to ensure it aligns with individual health needs and does not interact with other medications one might taking. That's it for our deep dive on Ozempic. We hope this two-part series has given you a clearer understanding and equipped you with the necessary knowledge to make informed choices. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share your thoughts or experiences in the comments below. Your feedback helps guide the content we produce, and we genuinely appreciate your engagement. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights on health and wellness. Until next time, stay informed and stay healthy.